Are you looking for the top 5 best sofa beds for every space? Looking for the perfect sofa bed can be a real headache, especially when you need something that's both stylish and functional. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Comax Futon Sofa Bed. Let's kick things off with the Comax Futon Sofa Bed, priced at $172.99. What really caught my attention here is its 4-in-1 functionality. If you want a sofa bed that adapts to your needs, this is worth a serious look. The Comax offers an ingenious design that transitions between a couch, floor bed, and futon with ease. Imagine having a cozy couch during the day that effortlessly turns into a bed for unexpected guests at night. The ergonomic comfort support means you won't be waking up with back pain thanks to dual foam cushions that contour to your body. Plus, it's perfect for small spaces, fitting seamlessly in your living room or dorm. With over 500 units sold last month alone, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, I'll be real with you. Some users noted that the weight limit is only 220 pounds, which could be a concern for heavier users. But here's the thing. If you're looking for a stylish and compact option and don't need it to bear too much weight, this might still be a great fit for you. This is perfect for you if you live in a small apartment and need a flexible seating solution. Skip this one if you regularly host larger guests who might exceed the weight limit. For the price it offers.
Product number 2. Velorize Folding Sofa Bed. Next up is the Velorize Folding Sofa Bed, retailing for $104.99. Its compact and foldable design is what really got me interested. If you're short on space but need functionality, this model deserves your attention. The Velorize easily transforms between a sofa, long sofa, and even a chair bed. Perfect for studio apartments or small living rooms, it maximizes every inch without sacrificing comfort. Its ergonomic foam padding means you can sit for hours without discomfort. Plus, it comes with detachable back and lumbar pillows for that extra support. With over 400 units sold recently, it's clear that people are loving this. However, some users mention that the setup can take a bit longer than expected due to the waiting period for it to expand fully. But honestly, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that's still comfortable, I think this is a minor hiccup. This is perfect for you if you frequently have guests and need a quick setup solution. Skip this one if you want something that feels more like a permanent fixture. For the price, you really can't beat the value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next
Product number 3. Maxi Yo-Yo Convertible Sofa Bed. Coming in at $159.99 is the Maxi Yo-Yo Convertible Sofa Bed. Honestly, the 2-in-1 design caught my eye. If you're after something that easily adapts to your lifestyle, this one is definitely worth a look. This sofa bed effortlessly transforms with just a pull, making it super convenient for both lounging or unexpected overnight guests. It's made with corded fabric that's not only soft, but also breathable and durable. With dimensions that give you enough space to sleep comfortably, it's perfect for those who want both style and function. Plus, with over 300 units sold in the past month, it looks like others are impressed too. Now, some people pointed out that the assembly instructions could be clearer, but here's the thing. Once you get it set up, it's smooth sailing, and you'll love how it looks in your space. This is perfect for you if you need a stylish solution that works for both sitting and sleeping. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional sofa bed that doesn't require some initial setup. For the price, it delivers great style and comfort. Now, if you want something with a bit more support, the next product number 4, Comax Convertible Sofa Bed. Next up is another excellent pick from Comax, their convertible sofa bed priced at $161.99. Its versatile 4-in-1 functionality really impressed me. If you're looking for a stylish sofa that doubles as a bed, this is worth considering. This model transforms just like the first, but it features a unique design that adds charm to any room. The dual foam cushions provide great support, making it ideal for lounging or sleeping. If you need a guest solution that doesn't compromise on style, this one fits the bill. It's especially great for compact living spaces and has already gained traction with over 200 units sold. However, some reviews mentioned concerns about the firmness. I can see how that might be a deal breaker for some, but if you prefer a firmer sleeping surface, this might actually be a plus.
This is perfect for you if you value both comfort and style in a compact design. Skip this one if you want something plush and soft. At this price point, you're getting a lot of versatility.
Product number 5. Irament Love Seat Convertible Sofa Bed. Finally, we have the Irament Love Seat Convertible Sofa Bed, priced at $187.99. What stands out here is its plush comfort and high weight capacity. If you want a sturdy option that can accommodate more, this one's definitely worth your time. This model effortlessly transforms from a love seat to a full-size sleeper, making it perfect for any room. The high-density memory foam ensures comfort whether you're sitting or sleeping, and the design is lightweight, making it easy to move around. With a weight limit of 500 pounds, it can handle a wider range of users. Plus, it's been well received with over 100 sold recently. But some users noted that it might take up to 72 hours to fully expand after unboxing. Honestly, if you're patient, the comfort you get after is well worth the wait. This is perfect for you if you need it durable and So to wrap it all up, we've seen the Comax futon, Velorize folding sofa bed, Maxi Yo-Yo convertible sofa, another Comax model, and the Irament love seat. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Irament because of its durability and comfort. As for one to avoid, I'd recommend skipping the first Comax model if you have heavier guests. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out.